Here's a Crackle Effect Resin Pour in our brand new Stone Edge mold. For this pour, I'm going to be using Strawberry, Grape Juice, and Sun Resin Inks by Octopus Fluids. I have about 1.12 ounces for each color. The Strawberry and the Grape Juice, I used 12 drops each, and the Sun, I did 14 drops. I mixed up magic resin, which is a tabletop and art resin, so it's a little bit thicker, and I used 8 ounces for this mold. And there I have about 0.75 ounces with 1 scoop of brown and 1.5 scoops of gold. And there I have some Pearl X Micropearl mica powder, and I used 2 little scoopfuls on the end of that stick plus 1 other little scoop. And I'm going to try and drop some crushed glass in the center of this. You start this pour by just puddle pouring the colors into another cup. I want to have the sun on the bottom and the top so I don't lose the yellow. So I'm just pouring the strawberry right there, and then the next layer will be the grape juice. What I love about this mold that we created, it's got little etchings on the side, so when you're done, you could actually take acrylic paint or an acrylic pen and paint in the little veining. I don't do that on this piece, but I'll be creating another piece soon that will show that little feature. And here I'm just puddle pouring until all the colors are finished. And with magic resin, you're not supposed to scrape the edges, but I do scrape them to get them into all the colors out of it. And these do look really deep. For 1.12 ounces to use 12 drops or 14 drops might have been a little much, but the colors turned out brilliantly, so I'll take it as a win. But what I've learned with this crackle effect, your colors and your white mica powders should be the same amounts. So the 3 mica powders at 1.12 ounces each are about 3.36, and the Micropearl mica powder is about 3.44, so they're about even. And there I'm just taking the puddle of colors and pouring it to the bottom of the mold. I love how these colors look inside the cup, like such a rainbow. I love that new strawberry resin ink from Octopus Fluids, brand new. Well, not brand new for them, I just got one recently. Can't wait to use that in a flower bloom. Then I'm taking the brown and just pouring it around the edge. I had no idea if this would actually work because this is a deeper edge mold, not a flat mold. So I figured if anything, it would create a brown base to give it some kind of heaviness on the bottom of the piece. I do love these colors mixed together though. The brown and the gold just shimmer beautifully, especially next to the strawberry and grape juice colors. And that's only 0.75 ounces. This mold, I don't have the measurements on me right now. It's bigger than a coaster, like a little tray, but it will be up on our website. As soon as this video's up, the mold will be for sale. And here I just take the mica and pour it all into the center of the mold. I probably could have saved a little bit of clear resin. I'm just eyeballing where the center is there because this crackle effect tends to leave just kind of blobby centers. So I did want to have some kind of glitter there. Next time I try this, I will pour a little bit of clear to open it up. And then you just wait for the resin to cure. And I'm going to have it on a little bit of a speed ramp here in a second. Well, as soon as I put more glitter in there, apparently. And there it is, closing up. It's funny that this much brown doesn't move on the front of it. It's only on the back of the piece. And then it's time to demold. I had no idea what to expect in this mold, but look at that. The glitter's a little bit off in the center, but those colors are beautiful. And as you see the little cracks there in the side, you could paint those in with a color, but I'm going to leave it for what it is right now because I think it looks great. Let us know what you think about this pour and our brand new Stone Edge mold in the comments below.